Everyone's talking about AI tools. But let's be real. Most businesses don't need another subscription they'll never use. The real money isn't in selling AI products that sound good, but don't actually solve problems. The real money is in helping businesses use AI the right way, fixing the exact problems they struggle with every day. That's where the opportunity of becoming an AI consultant comes in. You don't need to be a coder. You don't need to build the next ChatGPT. Instead, you step in as the bridge between businesses and the technology they already need. In this video, I'll show you how to make money as an AI consultant, being the middleman who identifies problems, sets up solutions, and charges both a setup fee and a recurring monthly fee. An AI consultant isn't someone who sells hype. You're not trying to convince a business to buy the latest AI tool because it's trendy. Your job is much more practical. Here's how it works. A business owner tells you about a real pain point. Maybe their phones are constantly ringing after hours. Maybe they spend hours chasing unpaid invoices. Maybe they're struggling to keep up with emails, scheduling, or even customer service requests. As the consultant, your role is to listen carefully, identify the problem, and then figure out which AI tool or system can solve it. For example, if the problem is missed calls, you can set up an AI receptionist that answers, screens, and books appointments. If the problem is overdue invoices, you can set up an automated reminder system that sends emails and texts until the payment comes in. If the problem is wasted time on repetitive emails, you can configure an AI email assistant to handle drafts and replies. You don't invent the technology, you just know which tools exist and how to plug them in. You connect the dots and package it into a solution the business actually values. That's the role of an AI consultant. You're the translator between the business world and the technology world. So why would a business owner pay you for this? The answer is simple: time and money. Small and medium businesses are drowning in work. The average owner is wearing 5 hats: sales, customer service, operations, accounting, and marketing. They don't have time to research 10 different AI platforms, figure out which one works, and then spend hours learning how to set it up. But if you show up and say, "I can solve this problem for you," it'll cost a one-time setup fee and then a small monthly support fee, they see it as a no-brainer. Let's look at a few real examples. A local plumber might pay you $500 to set up an AI receptionist that books appointments, filters emergency calls, and reduces missed jobs. Then, they'll happily pay $200 every month for you to monitor it and make sure it's working. A clinic could pay $750 for you to build an AI reminder system for patients. That keeps no-shows down and saves staff hours. After that, paying you $300 per month is cheap compared to the thousands it saves them in wasted appointments. A restaurant might pay you $400 to set up an AI system that responds to Facebook and Google reviews, answers common customer questions, and takes online reservations. After that, they'll pay you $150 to $250 a month because it keeps their reputation strong without lifting a finger. The point is simple. The value you provide is much greater than the fee you charge. Businesses don't see you as a cost. They see you as an investment that saves them time, money, and stress. Now let's talk about how you actually find clients. Start local. Don't worry about building a fancy website or paying for ads right away. Instead, look around your own community. Service businesses are the best starting point. Plumbers, electricians, landscapers, restaurants, auto shops, salons, clinics, gyms. These businesses live and die by efficiency. If you can help them save time, capture more leads, or reduce costs, they'll pay attention. Here's the secret. Don't pitch AI. Don't walk in saying, "I want to sell you artificial intelligence." That sounds confusing or intimidating. Instead, ask one simple question. What's the most annoying task that eats up your time every week? That's your entry point. If they say, "I can't keep up with the phone at night," you offer to set up an AI phone system. If they say, "I spend hours chasing invoices," you set up an automated reminder system. If they say, "Social media takes too much time," you set up a content scheduler with AI captions and posts. The business owner doesn't care what tool you're using. They care that the problem disappears. That's how you sell without selling. You listen first, then provide the fix. Let's break down the money. Your pricing should always have 2 parts. The first part is the setup fee. This is the one-time payment for your time to configure the system, integrate it with their business, and train them on how to use it. Depending on the complexity, this can range from $300 to $1,000. The second part is the monthly management fee. This is where the recurring income comes in. You charge $100 to $500 a month to keep the system updated, troubleshoot issues, and provide support. For the business, this is incredibly reasonable. If paying you $200 a month saves them $2,000 in labor, it's an easy decision. Even with just 10 clients paying you $250 a month, that's $2,500 in recurring income, before counting any new setup fees. And as you add clients, the recurring base grows. That's why this model works. You're not chasing one-off sales. You're building steady, predictable income that compounds month after month. At this point, you might be wondering, what skills do I need to do this? Do I have to be technical? The answer is no. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need to build apps from scratch. You just need to understand which tools solve which problems. Here are a few to start with. AI phone answering platforms like High-Level or Twilio integrations, scheduling tools that connect with Google Calendar and booking systems, AI email and writing assistants that handle repetitive communication, automation tools like Zapier that connect different apps together. Your job isn't to create new technology, your job is to put the right tools into the right hands, in a way that actually works for the business. If you can learn to use these tools, and more importantly, explain them in plain English, you can succeed as an AI consultant. Once you've signed your first few clients, scaling becomes much easier. Here's how you grow. First, create templates. If you set up an AI receptionist for one plumber, you can replicate 80% of that system for the next plumber. If you create an invoice follow-up system for one contractor, you can reuse the same structure for the next contractor. Templates save you time and make setup faster. Second, outsource. You don't need to do everything yourself. You can hire virtual assistants to follow your setup checklists, monitor dashboards, and handle basic troubleshooting. That frees up your time to focus on getting more clients. Third, build referrals. One happy client is worth 2 or 3 more. Service businesses know other service businesses. If you make one plumber's life easier, they'll tell the electrician, who tells the landscaper, who tells the roofer. Before long, you've built a reputation in your community as the person who makes problems go away with AI. And that reputation is the foundation of your recurring income. AI isn't about shiny tools or fancy tech demos, it's about solving real problems for real businesses. As an AI consultant, you're not pushing products, you're providing solutions. You listen, you connect the right tools, you set everything up, and you keep it running. You charge a setup fee, you charge a monthly management fee, and you keep solving problems. This is how you build a business that grows month after month, even while you sleep. If you want more breakdowns of unique business models that no one else is covering, make sure you subscribe to Next Gen. This channel is all about finding the hidden opportunities that actually make money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.